So this is a tell on how I used a client's suit jacket and trousers that was iron burnt to make a Newsboy Beret to customize a tank top and make a short. So on today's video, you'll be seeing how I made this Newsboy Beret that I am wearing. Welcome back. The circumference of this cap is 21 inches. So this is cone-like shapes was gotten by dividing 21 inches using 6, which will give us 3.5 inches each with sewing allowance, while their height is 6.5 inches each. So while I cut my cones out, I'd like to use the opportunity to welcome you all to my channel, old and new subscribers. Thank you for always tuning in. So as I am done cutting out the cones, which will be the 6 panels of the beret and the brim, I'll be heading to the machine to couple all the pieces together. These are the linings and the fabric for the crown. I've already attached my gum stay on the fabric for the crown. To begin, I will pick 2 of the panels and place the 2 good sides together. And sew from here down using 0.5 inch, which is the seam allowance. Are you new to my channel? Here on this channel, I do mostly DIYs. If this is something that interests you, stay tuned, subscribe, share, and leave your notification bells on so you'd be the first to be notified whenever I make posts. So meanwhile, I'll be joining them one by one till I exhaust them all. So here I'll be joining the fabric for the brim as well. After which I will now notch the edges. Before turning inside out. So here is the brim and the full crown plus the lining. So before joining the brim to anything, I'll have to seal it up first. And set it aside and then move to join the band and the crown. So with the band successfully joined to the crown, I will now join the brim to the band. But first I will mark out the center of the brim so it can align well with the band. So watch the placement in case you decide to make yours today. Afterwards, I proceeded to sew them together. I hope you're understanding this. If there are confusions, do well to ask your questions in the comment section. So here is the full cap, the 6-panel crown, the band and the brim. Now I'd move to join the lining and the main cap together by facing the two loop faces together and sew right round. And turn inside out. Anyway, some of you may think I sewed through the entire circumference. I didn't. Instead, I left a 2-inch gap to enable me turn the cap inside out after sewing. So here I am, struggling to turn it inside out. And here is an almost finished Newsboy Beret. I'll now run a close to the edge top stitch to seal the space I left while I ran the internal stitches. I hope this video is insightful and will be helpful to you. Finally, here is my neatly sewn Newsboy Beret waiting for the button to be fixed at the point where the panels converge. So I'll be using this pepper red button as my last piece to beautify the cap. So here is my Newsboy Beret. So tell me in the comment section if you'd love to rock this beret. I hope you like and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.